In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Squarespace website. If you built your site and you're ready for the world to see it, the walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click, with a few helpful tips so you feel confident hitting publish. Before we dive in, a quick note about what publish means in Squarespace. While you can design, preview, and even share a private password-protected version of your site, making it publicly available requires moving out of trial mode and onto a paid plan. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple and stick to the essentials so you can go live smoothly. First, open your Squarespace editor and look to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click that. This opens the main settings area, where Squarespace groups together important controls for your site's configuration, creation, visibility, and other global options. If you're ever unsure where to change something that affects the whole site, this is a great place to start. Next, inside settings, find the section labeled website and then click on site availability. This page is the control center for who can see your site. It's where Squarespace lets you manage whether your site is publicly visible, private, or protected behind a password while you're still working. Even if you're not changing those visibility options today, it's helpful to know this is where they live. You'll also see the prompt related to moving from a trial to a paid plan in order to publish. Now, click on Upgrade to Publish. Squarespace requires an upgrade before your site can be fully public. When you click this, you'll be guided through choosing the plan that unlocks publishing. Once the upgrade is complete, Squarespace will lift the trial restrictions and your site can go live. If you already previewed your content and you're happy with how it looks on desktop and mobile, you're set. After upgrading, give it a moment for changes to process, and your pages will be accessible to visitors. A couple of pro tips as you finish up. If you still need to keep the site private while you gather feedback, remember that site availability includes a password protected option. You can use that until you're truly ready to go public. Also, once your site is live, it's normal for small changes to take a short time to appear everywhere due to caching. And that's it. Click the settings icon, open site availability, and choose Upgrade to Publish. Follow those steps, and your Squarespace website will be ready for the world.